We'll continue problems with balance sheet. So we'll see some format of balance sheet. E2 page number. We have a format of balance sheet on page number E2. So this is a format of balance sheet. So 13, 14, 15, 16 schedules we have seen in profit and loss account. Now we'll see schedules in profit balance sheet now. So capitals and liabilities we are having. So 1 to 5 we are having liabilities, and 6 to 12 we are having assets. Okay, so format is very easy. Form of balance sheet we have tried. Okay, by name of company we have tried, balance sheet, and date also we have tried. Schedule we have to prepare and write, and we have to prepare one column of amount. That's it. No need of preparing two columns. So capital is first, schedule 1, reserves and surplus is 2, deposits is 3, borrowings is 4, and other liabilities and provisions is 5. So 1 to 5 we are having capitals and liabilities. 1 is capital, 2 is reserves and surplus, 3 is deposits, 4 is borrowings, and 5 is other liabilities and provisions. Then we have to do total. After that we are having assets. So assets, again we are having cash and bank balance with RBI is schedule number 6. Balance with banks and money at call and short notice schedule number 7. Investment schedule number 8. Advances schedule number 9. Fixed assets schedule number 10. Other assets schedule number 11. So schedule number 11 till here we have to do total. So this total of liability and assets total should match. After the balance sheet we are having schedule number 12. Okay, I repeat, after the balance sheet we are having schedule number 12. Till here we have to do check totals of assets and liabilities. 12 is contingent liability, bills for collection. This we have tried after the balance sheet. Okay, so this is format of balance sheet. It's very easy, simple. So based on this we will do some questions. So we have some questions on balance sheet that we'll do. Simple questions we are having. Page number is 32. Question number is 14. So from the following information, after preparation of schedules, means he prepared schedules and is giving directly and is asking to prepare balance sheet of Kailash Bank Limited as on 31st March 2004. Investments he is saying capital, deposits, cash and bank balance, balance with the Reserve Bank of India, other liabilities and provisions, bills for collection, balance with banks and money at call and short notice, reserves and surplus, borrowings, advances, fixed assets, current assets, other assets, contingent liability. So it's very easy. We'll solve this problem. See, if he wants to see, he is giving paper very easy. So there are chances that he'll give such questions for long also. Okay. In the previous classes we have completed all our profit and loss account. Now we are seeing balance sheet. In balance sheet we have we'll solve this problem, and we know the format also. Okay, so I'll prepare the format and we'll solve the problem. So first we'll write the entire balance sheet format. Okay, we'll complete the balance sheet format. So we'll write here particulars, we'll write here schedule number, and we'll write amount. Okay, amount, date, heading and all we'll write later. First we'll write that balance sheet information. We'll write first capital and liabilities. Okay, so in this first we are having capital, next we are having reserves and surplus, after that we are having deposits, we are having borrowings, after that other liabilities and provisions, then we do total, then we write assets. In assets first we'll write cash and balances with RBI, next we'll write balances with banks and money at call and short notice. Money at call and short notice. This is purely chapter format based chapter. Okay, next investments, next we are having advances. I have written the entire format. Okay, let us write the schedule numbers. So capital is 1, reserves and surplus through, deposits 3, borrowings 4, other liabilities 5. Okay, this cash and bank balance with RBI 6, 7 is money at call and short notice, 8 is investment, 9 is advances, 10 is fixed assets, 11 is other assets. Okay, so I have written the format. Now we'll write the heading also. Heading is what? Kailash Bank Limited. So we'll write heading. So we have written everything and we'll complete this problem now. So first item is investment 3,000. So we know investment will be in the assets. We'll come in front of investment and we'll write 3,000. Next, after investment we are having capital. So we'll go to the in front of capital and we'll write how much? 1,000. Okay, after that we are having deposits 75,000. So we are having deposits here. So we'll write 7,500. Next, after that we are having cash and balance with RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Cash and balance with RBI 500. Okay, after that we are having other liabilities and provisions. So we are having other liabilities and provisions here 200. Next, bills for collection we are having here. So we'll write bills for collection how much? 300. So this is after balance sheet we have to write bill contingent liability. After that we are having balance with banks and money at call notice. So call notice we are having how much? 1,000. After that we are having reserves and surplus 35,000, 3,500 sorry. So we'll come in front of reserves and surplus, write 3,500. After that borrowings we are having 2,500. So we are having borrowings here 2,500. Advances, after that we are having 9,500. So advances we are having schedule number 9, 9,500. Assets we are having fixed assets 5,000. So schedule 10, 5,000 sorry 500. After that we are having other liabilities 2,200. Other assets, yes, that is other assets 200. Next we are having contingent liability 1,000. So write contingent liability also 1,000. Okay, so we have written the information what is all required. Now we'll do the total. And do remember, do not include this contingent liability and bills for collection with this total. Okay, so we'll do total of liability now. 1,000 plus 3,500, 7,500, 2,500, 200. So 14,700 is the total of liabilities and asset capital. Next 500, 1,000, 3,000, 9,500, 500, 2,000, 200. Again total of the assets will be 14,700. Easy. Okay, so like this we have to solve this problem. It's very easy, only you have to remember the format. And we'll do one more problem, two more problems on this. See what it says. Incorporate the following information in the balance sheet of National Bank Limited in Form A as per Banking Regulation Act along with schedule numbers as on 31st March 2010. So he is asking you to prepare balance sheet of National Bank Limited according to the schedule which we have solved just now, and he is saying that schedules number also we have to write. Yes, we will write schedule numbers. Here is 31st March 2010. So information we are having capital, borrowings, deposits, reserves and surplus, balance with banks and money at call and short notice, other assets, contingent liability we are having, advances we are having, investments we are having, cash and bank balance with RBI, fixed assets, other liabilities and provisions. He is asking you to prepare balance sheet. Okay, so we'll solve this problem. Problem number 15, page number E32. First we'll write the entire format. Okay, so first we'll write capitals. We'll start with capitals and liabilities. So in this first item is capital, we know. After capital you write reserves and surplus. Then we'll write deposits, borrowings, other liabilities and provisions. Then we do total. Then we'll write assets, cash, and balances with RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Then we'll write balances with banks and money at call and short notice. After that we are having investments. After investments we are having advances, fixed assets, other assets. Then we do total of assets. Then we'll write contingent liability, schedule number 12. So we'll write schedule numbers. Capital is 1, reserves and surplus 3, deposits 3, borrowings 4, other liabilities and provisions is 5, cash and balance with RBI 6, balance with banks and money at call and short notice schedule number 7, investments 8, advance 9, fixed assets 10, and other assets 11. Okay, so we have written the entire format. Now we have to write the information which is given in the question. So first he has given capital 5 lakhs. So we'll write here capital 5 lakhs. Next we are having borrowings. The amount of borrowings is 1 lakh. So we'll write in front of schedule number 4 borrowings 1 lakh. After borrowings we are having deposits 1 lakh 95. Schedule number 3 deposits 1 lakh 95,000. After that we are having balance with our bank and money at call and short notice 80,000. Schedule number 7 80,000. Next we are having other assets, schedule number 11 16,500. Next we are having contingent liability 1 lakh 15,000. So schedule number 12 1 lakh 15,000. After that we are having advance 3 lakh 26,000. So come in front of advance, schedule number 9 3 lakh 26,000. Next investments we are having 4 lakh 50,000. Schedule number 8 4 lakh 50,000. Then cash and balance with RBI 1 lakh 93,000. Schedule number 6 1 lakh 93,000. Fixed assets 48,000. Schedule number 10 fixed asset 48,000. Last item is other liabilities and provisions 3,380 3380. Okay, so we have written all the items from question. Now we'll do the totals of liabilities and capital 5 lakhs plus 1 lakh 95,000. There is no reserves and surplus, don't write nil, plus 1 lakh 5 lakhs plus 1 lakh 95,000 plus 1 lakh plus 3380. 7 lakh 79,000. Wait, reserves and surplus may be there, right? Yes, 3 lakh 15,120 reserves are there. 3 lakh 15,120 reserves and surplus is there. 3 lakh 15,120. So 1 lakh 11,000. 11 lakh 13,500. The answer is 11 lakhs 13,500. The total of liabilities and capital. Okay, my mistake. There is a reserves and surplus given in the question. We have not. I forgot to write. Don't do this mistake in exam. Then we'll be writing 1 lakh 93,000 plus 80,000 plus 4 lakh 50,000 plus 3 lakh 26,000 plus 48,000 plus 16,500. Getting 1 lakh 13,500 total of assets also. Okay, so like this you have to solve problems. It's very easy, and I want you to solve this problem. 16th one, page number E13 33. So what is saying, everything is given same like the other problems. We have solved 2 problems, right? In the same manner you have to solve. First prepare the balance sheet format, then you have to solve. Let me read the question once for you people. Incorporate the following balance of Sharath Bank Limited in statutory form of balance sheet as on 31st March 2010, indicating respective schedule numbers. Same. So write the entire format like this. Okay, write bank name, heading, particular, schedule number, and amount. What he is given first? He is given first fixed assets, deposits is given, capital is given, other liabilities and provision is given, contingent liability, advances, balance with other banks and money at call and short notice, borrowings, investment, reserves and surplus, other assets, bills for collection, cash and balance with RBI. So this all information he has given. You can easily solve this 16th problem. Okay. So I'll prepare more videos on the balance sheet problems. Then we'll wind up this chapter. In 4 or 5 problems, that's more than enough. We'll wind up this chapter.